Hello, Thailand! This is Kon, Thailand's legendary masked dance drama, a fusion of music, dance, poetry, and glittering costumes, so unique that UNESCO honored it as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. Every mask carries history, every gesture tells a story, and every performance connects past and present. Kon is Thailand's pride, but its beauty belongs to the world. If this inspired you, share it and let the world see the soul of Thailand.
ចង់អលមុខថាអើយអាសូរីអើយអញ្ញប្រហាឲ្យខ្សៃអើយចំណាជីវាក្រុងហារៀបមកចិត្តណាខ្លាអើយមិនណាខ្លាចស្លាប់អើយលោតចូលចាំងកម្មអើយចាប់